Hi there, it's Ron Young. Whether we've worked together before or you're planning a move in the future, I want you to know you're not just a client, you're part of our community. Every quarter, I make what I like to call my care calls because I truly care about staying connected and serving you however I can. Whether it's real estate related or you just need a great contractor, I'm here to help. Need someone to check out your roof? Thinking about a home project? We have a trusted list of over 200 vendors, plumbers, electricians, landscapers, you name it. Save my number and call me anytime. Maybe you're considering buying a home down the shore or even out of state. I have connections not just at the beach, but worldwide. I can introduce you to the best agents in any town. And if you're thinking about a renovation like a kitchen update, I can offer you an insight on how it might impact your home's value when you sell years down the road. At the end of the day, we value relationships deeply. When I call, it's never to bother you. It's to be a resource. I'm looking forward to my next check-in, but if you need me in the meantime, I'm just a phone call or a text away at 267-408-2306.